Today on this James the Bike Guy, we're taking a look at the brand new 2019 Trek Emonda ALR frame set. So as we take a look at this bike, one of the most striking things is this new available color. As we check out the color, you can see they call this flip purple, and it actually flips between purple and blue depending on how the light shines on it, and it really is just such a beautiful setup. Now, this is their Performance Series frame set, and the ALR Emonda is going to be the highest grade of aluminum that they make. So in that case, this is actually what they call Alpha 300 aluminum, and it's going to have their InvisiWeld technology. So if you look through the weld points, especially on this head tube, it almost looks just like carbon. I mean, it's so smooth. The finishing is just, it's done so well. Now, another neat thing for the 2019 Emonda is this frame set has gone to direct mount brakes. So the brakes actually directly mount onto these 2 points rather than having one mounting point in the center. And that allows for the braking setup to be stiffer, have a little more tire clearance. And on this bike, you can easily fit 28s and possibly even a little larger. Now, as we look through the fork, this is a carbon fiber fork. It does have an aluminum steer tube on it, but it is reasonably lightweight to the touch. Your frame set is going to run internal cable routing, so you have their Control Freak cable routing all around the bike. So it's got internal routing through the down tube, and then to the rear derailleur, it is going to be external. So it comes out underneath the bottom bracket and goes out to the rear derailleur. Now, this is the rim brake version, but they also make this in a disc brake as well. And really the idea with the disc brake is it's going to help give a little more control, and you're going to be able to shed those caliper brakes off of the bike. On the inside of this bike, on your chainstay, you'll notice a little spot. This is for their integrated speed and cadence sensor. Now, the bikes don't come with a speed and cadence sensor, but it is something you can add, and it's a great addition where you don't need to have anything strapped or wrapped around the bike. Now, as far as fit's concerned, this bike is an H2 geometry. That means this is in between their performance kind of race fit H1 geometry and their more endurance style of geometry that you might find on, say, a Trek Domani. So it's going to be a nice all-around performance bike, great lightweight aluminum frame set, but let's go ahead and place it onto our scale and we'll see what this comes in at. So we'll start by zeroing out the scale with a Trek bottom bracket, since there is one installed in this bike, and then we'll see the frame is going to come out at 1,230 grams. We'll add our fork, and the fork on this bike comes in at 420 grams. So that means this frame set weight comes in at a total of 1,650 grams. Well, thanks for watching this James the Bike Guy. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this new Trek Emonda ALR frame. And as always, click the subscribe button so you can see more videos like this into the future.